Dear students, in this video lesson, I am going to explain creation of company and creation of groups and ledger in Tally ERP9. So first of all, we are going to create a company. So for that, come to the company info. Then go to create company. Then select create company. Then here we have to give the basic details of your company. Here name, MN, company, mailing name, then address, then country, state, pin code, phone number, mobile number. So all these details you have to give. Then after giving all these details, click on enter and then accept. Now one program is over. That's creation of company. After creation of company, we have to alter the company and delete the company. So it can be done by using Alt plus F3. In this environment, click on Alt plus F3. Here you can alter the details of your company. See, I'm going to alter the details of MN company. So select MN company and then now I'm selecting the state. Okay, Tamil Nadu. Then now I'm giving pin code. Okay, so in this way you can update the details of your company. Then deleting company. How to delete particular company you already created. So for that, click on alter. Okay, select particular company you want to delete. Then in this window, click Alt plus D. Okay, so it will ask for deleting your company. So if you are click on enter, again it will ask yes. Now that company has deleted from the list. Okay, so in this way you can delete the company. The shortcut key for deleting company is Alt plus D in the alteration window. Okay, after clicking on alter, you can delete the company by using Alt plus D. But when you are creating company, you have to fill out all the details. Okay, now you have created the company, right? So now we have to go to gateway of Tally. So in this environment, click on escape. Okay, now we have gateway of Tally. So here we have question. Create groups in Tally for the following details. So selling and distribution expenses, it's a primary. Then selling expenses, it's a group to be created under the selling and distribution expenses. Then again we have distribution expenses, it's a subgroup. It should come under the selling and the distribution expenses. Okay. So now I'm going to explain how to create these groups in Tally ERP9. Click on accounting info, then go to groups, then I'm selecting single group option. Here first we have to create the selling and the distribution expenses. It's a primary group. Selling and the distribution expenses, primary group. I'm selecting primary. Then we have to select the nature of that expense. Sorry, that item. So it's expenses. So now I have created one group, primary group. Then I have to create subgroups. Subgroup means we already have selling and distribution expenses. Under this selling and distribution expenses, we are going to create selling expenses and distribution expenses. So for that, in the groups creation, give selling expenses. So selling expenses will comes under selling and distribution expenses. Then next item is distribution expenses. It comes under selling and distribution expenses. Right. So now we have created two groups. If you want to see the groups we have created, go to display. So here we have a number of groups. So here selling expenses, selling and distribution expenses primary group, and selling expenses is a secondary group. It comes under the selling and distribution expenses. Then we have distribution expenses. It will come under selling and distribution expenses. That's all. Then next we have to create a sundry creditor, then sundry creditor material 1, sundry creditor material 2, sundry creditor material 3, and sundry creditor material 4. Here we have sundry debtors east, sundry debtors west, sundry debtors north, sundry debtors south. Okay. So now we are going to create groups. So for that, go to multiple ledger. So in multiple ledger, you can create number of ledgers simultaneously. So first of all, I'm going to create sundry creditors material 1, sundry creditors material 2, sundry creditors material 3, and sundry creditors material 4. All these groups will come under the sundry creditors. So under group, you have to select the sundry creditors. Then here sundry creditor material 1, then sundry creditor material 2. Likewise, you have to create sundry creditor material 3 and sundry creditor material 4. Okay, then you can accept the creation of these ledgers. Then next to this we have sundry debtors east, sundry debtors west, sundry debtors north, sundry debtors south. Okay, so all these groups will come under the sundry debtors. So go to multiple groups, select the sundry debtors. Now I'm giving sundry debtors, then sundry debtors south, then sundry debtors, then click on accept. Then accept. So now we have created single groups and multiple groups. Okay, then now I'm going to explain how to create the ledgers. Okay, so ledger creation is very simple, but for creating ledgers you have to know the nature of each and every account. For example, here we have number of accounts: capital account, computer sales account, buildings account, material machinery account, furniture account, commission received account, printer purchase account, commission account, rent received account, salary account, rent account, then SBI account, wages account. So we have number of ledgers. First, you have to identify the nature of the particular account. Capital account, it comes under capital account in Tally. So first of all, for creating ledgers, go to ledgers, then create. Okay, so here capital account. So capital account will come under capital account only. So now then next to that we have computer sales account. Computer sales account. It will come under sales account. Then buildings, machinery, furniture are comes under the fixed assets. Comes under fixed assets. So buildings, machinery, fixed assets, fixed assets. Then furniture also comes under fixed assets. Then likewise we have to create the other accounts. So when you are creating commission received account, it comes under indirect incomes. Okay, commission received account, indirect incomes. Then printer purchase account comes under purchase account. Commission account will come under indirect expenses. Rent received is indirect incomes. Salary comes under indirect expenses. Rent comes under indirect expenses. SBI account comes under bank accounts. Wages comes under direct expenses. Sales return comes under sales account. Gas comes under direct expenses. Freight inward comes under direct expenses. Freight outward comes under indirect expenses. Govind supplier comes under the sundry creditors account. Computer account comes under fixed assets account. Then provisions for bad and doubtful debts comes under provisions account. Okay. So now we have created ledgers. Okay. So if you want to see the ledgers we created, go to display, buildings, capital, cash, commission, furniture, profit and loss account. So you no need to create cash account and a profit and loss account because these two ledgers are predefined ledgers. So we no need to create them. Right. Um, if you want to make alteration or if you want to delete particular ledger, go to that particular ledger. Now I'm going to delete the make alteration on the machinery account. Okay, so now I'm giving machinery. Then if I want to delete that particular ledger, select alter, then go to select particular ledger. I want to delete the buildings account. So in this environment, click alt plus D, delete. So now that building account has been deleted from the list of ledgers. So this is what creation of ledgers. Okay, so now we have learned creation of company, creation of ledger, and creation of group.